Last prism could be cool. Let's see. Lightning vortex, I think it's an circles, so that could be nice too. And spinning the wheel and closing my eyes. Let's see, what do we have? And we have... What? The foreshadowing, oh my god. If this isn't an encircled demon, I'm gonna lose my shit. It's an, oh no! I wanted to be an encircles. Damn it. Ah, the shake. Man, you gotta chill with the shakes. Well, yeah, pretty simple. Alright, first classic attempt. Well, 14%. Yeah. Oh no! Oh fuck! I thought I was going to like fluke the entire. For a second, I thought I was going to fluke the entire level. But no, 55. Goddamn! It's still a big fluke. I keep thinking it's totally auto, so I look away and then I die. Yay! I forgot the school. Did I just say school? No, I forgot the skull. God fucking damn it. Oh, dang it. You get 50. No, 62. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, pretty nice, pretty nice. Fuck. 66%. Okay. 2/3 of the way. I mean, I'm not that sad because I forgot the coin, so I don't really care. No, Major ain't gonna find my treasure. I had it. I hid it in my ass. Oh, dang it. I thought that that I was in normal mode. So I clicked, but no, I was in a reverse. Oh, dang it. Oh, shit. Transition. Okay, 87. Oh no, not 87 again. I swear this fucking number will hurt me forever. No. No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna. Oh, no. No, that's too much. That's oh my gosh. Hey, Mel. What's up? You come. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is just this is ugly. Oh my! Not again. Oh fuck my headset. Alright, 2 times 92, 3 times 97, 1 time 93. Yeah. Oh fuck. Who would know that at the letter L I get so much L? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill somebody. Oh no, that's even worse. Look. I know, right? That's a screenshot for sure. Oh my gosh. You literally saw me touch it. Oh, finally! What a dumbass level. That's not my fucking best. Yeah. How many attempts? 165. Hey, hold on. Hold on. It's not wheel time yet. What's the tier? You cannot tell me that's only tier 165. That is not tier 165. I think I'm gonna give it a 6. It was really... I mean, it wasn't bad, but it was mid. And the end is stupid as fuck.